Today we'll talk about how can you save your events on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, so you just go down here and here you're looking for this events here you have. So you just search for this events. I'm going to click on this events here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. We will go back. So then automatically here you just click in this sign here or this sign. So when you click on it, like you see, it's going to save with us here this events on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.